Hello, welcome to my channel Tech with Ninana. Today I'm going to talk with you about the WhatsApp privacy checkup. WhatsApp is one of the social media platforms that is widely used across the world. I'm on WhatsApp and I know you are on WhatsApp, that's why you're watching this video. But before I continue, I want you to like, comment and hit the subscribe button. So when we say WhatsApp privacy checkup, what are we talking about? This is a new platform, or let's say a new feature that has been introduced by the Meta group. It has been introduced on WhatsApp and it enables you to choose who can contact you and with whom to share certain personal information, and also regulate message access. Your safety is assured. So this is how to set it up. You open your WhatsApp, you hit on the settings. At the settings column, you will find the banner to start the privacy checkup located at the top of the screen. From there, you can set up your WhatsApp privacy to suit your preference. At least you can limit the people that can test you, people you can share certain information with, among others. If you like this video, leave a comment and keep subscribing to our channel. Thank you.